What doesn't appear on a property report when looking to purchase a house, and how to find out about it. When you are looking to purchase a home, a real property report or a standard property survey is invaluable for mapping out the legal boundaries and the physical footprints of existing structures, but it is far from an all-encompassing document. A primary blind spot of a property report is that it completely excludes the interior and structural condition of the buildings. It will show you exactly where the perimeter of the house sits relative to the property lines, but it remains completely silent on whether the foundation is cracking, the roof is leaking, the electrical wiring is outdated, or the plumbing is corroded. To uncover these crucial and potentially expensive physical deficiencies, a buyer must hire a licensed home inspector who will conduct a comprehensive, top-to-bottom physical examination of the home. Furthermore, while a property report can visually confirm that a physical structure, like a finished basement, a detached garage, or a large deck, exists on the lot, it cannot verify if those structures were actually built with the proper municipal permits. It is entirely possible for a structure to be located perfectly within the legal boundary lines on a surveyor's map while simultaneously violating local building codes or missing mandatory electrical and plumbing permits. If you purchase a property with unpermitted work, you inherit the liability, which could result in further municipal fines or forced remediation. To protect yourself, you must request a history of building permits directly from the local municipality's development department, or have your real estate lawyer pull the comprehensive building file to cross-reference the structures shown on the report against what was legally authorized. Another critical limitation of a property report is its inability to detect environmental hazards or hidden ground contaminants that could affect the safety and value of the land. A surveyor's map will not tell you if the soil is contaminated from an old, leaking underground oil storage tank, or if the home contains hazardous materials like asbestos, radon gas, or toxic mold. These hidden issues pose significant health risks and can cost tens of thousands of dollars to safely remediate. To investigate these hidden environmental risks, a buyer shall look into ordering a Phase 1 environmental site assessment if soil contamination is suspected, hire a specialized environmental testing company to sample for indoor air pollutants, and check municipal environmental registries for historical contaminated sites. A property report also fails to reflect the underlying legal restrictions, encumbrances, and financial liabilities that are tied directly to the property's title. While the property might sketch out a broad utility right-of-way, it does not detail the strict terms of restrictive covenants that might dictate what color you can paint your house, limit the height of your trees, or prohibit certain types of home businesses. Similarly, it will not show financial landmines such as outstanding property tax arrears, unpaid utility bills, or construction liens registered against the property by unpaid contractors. To discover these critical legal and financial obligations, your real estate lawyer must conduct a thorough title search through the Provincial Land Titles Office and request an official tax certificate from the municipality. Beyond the boundaries of the lot itself, a property report cannot provide insight into future municipal planning decisions or zoning changes that could drastically alter your neighborhood. A survey plan treats the surrounding community as a static environment, meaning it will not warn you if the quiet green space behind your backyard is slated to become a bustling 4-lane commercial roadway, or if a nearby lot is being rezoned for a high-density condo building that will block your sunlight. Purchasing a home without investigating these surrounding factors can severely impact your long-term privacy and property value. To uncover what the future holds for the area, you must actively visit the local municipality's planning and development portal to review the area's structural plans, community zoning maps, and pending development applications. Finally, a property report is merely a snapshot of the property at one specific moment in time and will completely miss any undocumented alterations made after the survey was finalized. If a previous owner added a new backyard shed, extended the height of a fence, or installed an air conditioning unit after the surveyor packed up their equipment, the existing report is technically outdated and legally inaccurate. Relying on an old report can lead to unexpected disputes with neighbors over encroaching structures that you assumed were compliant. To verify that the report matches reality, you should walk property lines with a physical copy of the document in hand to ensure every current structure is accurately reflected, or insist that the seller provide a newly updated report with a fresh municipal compliance stamp before closing the deal. Ultimately, a real property report is just one piece of the real estate puzzle when looking to purchase a property in the United States or Canada. Mapping the land while leaving critical structural, legal, and environmental realities completely hidden. To truly protect your investment, you must look beyond the survey lines and assemble a trusted team of professionals, including home inspectors, environmental testers, and real estate lawyers, to uncover what is missing from the page. If you want to navigate the complexities of property law and real estate transactions with confidence, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more expert legal breakdowns and practical real estate guidance. Thank you.